You got one? Frogs? Well, we gotta go see the frogs, man. Alright, let's go see the frogs. We got all the groups fishing. Emily. Thank you, Jess. Don't try that at home. Where's the frogs at?
Right here, right here.
Whoa.
Oh, he's right there. He's right in front of you.
One,
Right to the
right
left.
there.
Right on the ground. Right on the ground.
Oh, hold on.
Right there, looking at you. Look.
Oh, look, right there.
See him?
Look. See if we
No.
can get a close up of
There's
him.
another one right there. See that one?
That one. Where is it?
Right
Oh,
there.
right there.
Yeah.
And that one. And there's one right there too.
Nice.
That one's staring at me.
Uh-oh. Here we go. Careful. Look at that cast. It's like a pro.
Definitely do lots of fishing.
It's awesome.
Jay does all the dirty work. Cross our fingers.
I think I'm ready to go on that zip line.
I want to go on the zip line. She said we could.
It's awesome.
But how do you get
Hey, if you
up
want to go,
there?
go. Seriously.
How do
Go
you
for
get
it.
up there though?
This is one awesome day. Thank you, Darren. Kids are loving it.